Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a fish in Fishdom. To rename a fish in Fishdom is a fun way to personalize your aquarium, so let's get started. First of all, launch the Fishdom app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're in this page, select the fish from your aquarium that you want to rename. After selecting the fish, you will see a little option popping up at the middle bottom of the screen. Simply tap on the pencil icon and then pick a new name for your fish. You can also give your own name, write it down in the text box, and click on OK. And right after you do that, you will be able to change the name of your fish or rename your fish. And that's it. Your fish is now renamed. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share and subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tips on Fishdom and other mobile games. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.